ready to see how Morse code sounds and how Morse code looks? We're going to start off with the traditional distress signal, SOS. I'm going to start off by typing SOS in, and you can immediately see under the output what SOS looks like in Morse code. Now let's listen to Morse code as a sound. Did you hear that? Let's listen to it again. Listen to how quick those dots and those dashes are. Now, let's listen to it just as a light, or see it just as a light. Let's see that again. Which do you think was easier to understand, the light or the sound? Let's try another word now. Now, we are going to translate the message help. You can see the word help in Morse code in dots and dashes. Now, let's listen to it. Let's listen to that again. Let's turn the sound off and instead see what Morse code sounds like with light. Do you think one version, sound or light, is more effective at communicating with Morse code? Why do you think that?